Welcome to week 3. I'm so pleased you're here. This week, we're going to be focusing on planning your path. This week, you're going to turn your ideas into a clear writing plan by creating an outline based on your purpose and audience. You will complete your second summative assessment, which is an important step towards completing your final assessment in week 5, so be sure not to skip over it. Submitting your outline helps me give you meaningful feedback so you can build confidence toward drafting next week as well. As you can see, we have our week 3 overview. Please consult this to have a clear understanding of expectations, and it serves as a to-do list as well. Next, we have our learning activities. Here you will find a chapter reading and various university library resources. These resources are especially important to explore because there is a good tutorial to help you devise a search strategy when conducting research. And it also helps you explore 3 different databases that are instrumental to your success here at the university. Next, we have our week 3 discussion, and this is going to be about how organization helps your reader. Okay, so this week we're building on what you've already explored about purpose, audience, and context by looking at how structure shapes meaning. When your writing is clearly organized, it's easier for your reader to follow your message and stay engaged. That's true whether you're telling a story, making a request, or explaining exactly how something works. So this week you're going to discuss the following: when structure works or doesn't, and I want you to think of something you read recently and point to specific examples, and then discuss that in depth. Then you will have your week 3 journal entry. Please remember to click on the yes option and then summarize your journal entry. Finally, we have our week 3 summative assessment. For this summative assessment, this sets the stage for your week 5 assessment. What you will do is we're going to begin to think about how we can think about purpose, audience, and context, and how it contributes to one of 2 scenarios that you will select. So before you begin, you're going to take a few steps to set yourself up for success. You're going to pick your format, and your 2 format options are to write a narrative or to write an email. For your week 5 assessment, you're going to write one of the following: a personal narrative, and this is going to be a short story about a meaningful experience, decision, or lesson you have learned. Or you might write a professional email, and this is going to be a message for you to request something, propose an idea, or share some important information. You're going to choose the topic that fits you and your career interests as well, and you're going to think about the structure and support needed. What is my main message or takeaway going to be? What are my key points that I want to include in this communication? What are examples or details that are going to help make my communication more clear? And what order will make the most sense for my audience and purpose? Then for your assessment, the actual completion of the assessment, you're going to download this outline template, and it looks something like this. And you'll answer all of these questions. Okay, are you organizing a narrative or email? Which one? You'll write it right there. And then you'll go through your working thesis, which is your central message you hope to impart through your communication. And then you'll have your main point 1, main point 2, main point 3. Each main point needs to have specific supporting details that you're going to develop. Okay, and then finally, you're going to write a conclusion, but that comes later. For now, just be sure to capture the main points and supporting ideas for those main points. And then you will submit this outline template in the assignment section. So please, and then additionally, you're going to add one more piece to that, and that will be a short rationale of 260 to 350 words where you reflect on your organization and your growth. There are questions here to answer, so please make sure to answer them thoroughly. If you have any questions about week 3, please let me know. We are about halfway through the course, so awesome job. Keep it up. Talk to you soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.